Good morning, students. Now we are going to study a new topic from neoplasia, which is actually nomenclature of the malignant tumors. Okay, so in our previous lecture, we have studied the nomenclature of benign tumors, and we have also defined the neoplasia and neoplastic growth. Okay, so our in our today's lecture we will discuss about the malignant tumors. Malignant tumors are wild in nature. They are also known as cancer. So benign tumors are not a cancer, but malignant tumors are known as cancer. Okay, cancer means actually a crab, and basic is nomenclature of malignant tumor basically uh, mm, based on or classified on the basis of site of origin, from where tumor is originating. Is it originating from mesenchymal tissues or epithelial tissues? So we will discuss this detail in our coming slides. So we will study the nomenclature of malignant tumors, and we will summarize the nomenclature of both benign and malignant tumors. And there is another category of mixed tumors. We will also discuss nomenclature of mixed tumor as well. Then at the end we will summarize the overall nomenclature. So let's start our today's lecture. So, if we talk about the nomenclature of malignant tumors, then there are two categories. Before going toward the nomenclature, please keep in mind early diagnosis of the malignant tumor. Early diagnosis of the malignant tumor helps in the complete cure of malignant tumor. Okay, benign tumors can be cured completely, but if we find any malignant tumor in very early stages, then we can fully treat the malignant tumor. It is possible. Okay, but usually we diagnose the tumor at very late stages, so some and mostly it is not possible to completely remove the tumor from out of the body. So patient take uh, different types of chemotherapies or any other treatment, but they take for a very long time. Okay, so nomenclature, if we talk about nomenclature of malignant tumors, and there are two categories. So on the there are two categories. First category is originate from mesenchyma, those malignant tumors which originate from mesenchymal tissue or mesenchyma. Then we usually pronounce as a sarcoma. We use suffix sarcoma at the end of malignant tumors, those originating from the mesenchymal tissue. Second category is second category of malignant tumors are those malignant tumors which originate from the epithelium or epithelial cells. They are known as carcinomas. Okay, so sarcomas and carcinomas are both are malignant tumors, but sarcomas are originating from the mesenchyma and the carcinoma originates from the epithelium. Okay, so in diagram you can observe two random malignant tumors. So it was very easy to understand what are sarcomas. Those malignant tumors which originate from the mesenchymal tissue are known as sarcomas, and the five. So let's discuss some examples of sarcomas. Fibrosarcoma. This is a malignant tumor of fibrous tissues. Liposarcomas are liposarcoma is malignant tumor of lipids. Chondrosarcoma is actually malignant tumor of chondrocytes, and chondrocytes are actually cells of cartilage bone. Okay, so osteogenic sarcoma originate from the bones, hard bones especially. Angiosarcomas are mesenchymal malignant tumor of the blood vessels. Lymphangiosarcoma originated from the lymphatics. Mesothelioma is actually originated from the mesothelium of the pleura. Okay, so it is a malignant tumor and it has a mesenchymal origin. Invasive meningioma, so it originates from the meninges. So invasion is showing the malignancy. Then leukemia and lymphomas are two also important tumors. They also are uh, sarcomas, but usually if we pronounce leukemia and lymphoma, their pronunciation is slightly different, but they are mesenchymal tissue, they are mesenchymal tumors. Then leiomyosarcoma. Leiomyosarcoma is actually a tumor of smooth muscles. Okay, so these are some common examples. So if you find any other example of sarcoma, so it is possible. But these are few examples to just to memorize about, or just to revise about the sarcoma. So sarcomas are those malignant tumors which originate from the mesenchyma. Okay, so in second category we have talked about the origin of malignant tumors. Then we say कि malignant tumors originate from epithelial, can originate from epithelium as well. So those malignant tumors which originate from the epithelial cells or epithelium, then we say these are carcinomas. Okay, so sarcomas and carcinomas both are malignant tumors. The carcinomas are originating from the epithelium. So it may originate from ectoderm, mesoderm, or endoderm as well. So there are few examples. Cutaneous squamous cell carcinoma is originates from the ectoderm. Then basal cell carcinoma originate from ectoderm. Renal cell carcinoma, usually renal cells originate from the mesoderm, so renal cell carcinoma originate from the mesoderm. Gastrointestinal tract adenocarcinoma is endodermal malignant tumor. So these are actually few examples. So carcinomas can originate from any dermis layer, ectoderm, mesoderm, or endoderm, but there are few tumors which can originate from more than one layer. Okay, so we will discuss later about those tumors. So here you can observe a diagrammatic representation of basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, melanomas, and Merkel cells. So these are actually few examples of malignant tumors which originate from the epithelium. So here are few important terms you should completely understand. First one is uh, there there are three terms: differentiated, poorly differentiated, and undifferentiated. Okay, so fully differentiated or differentiated tumors are actually those tumors in which cells have a very close symmetry with the normal cells. Okay, it means cells have a shape very close or very slightly different from the normal cells. Okay, undifferentiated carcinomas are actually those carcinomas in which cells are totally different, and we can't differentiate fully the shape of the cells. Mean to say a normal shape was very different, but in undifferentiated carcinoma cells are totally different, then we say it's totally undifferentiated carcinomas. Okay, so another condition is poorly differentiated carcinomas. In poorly differentiated carcinoma we found cells slightly similar with the normal cells, but we can't find the totally different cells, then we say it's a poorly differentiated carcinoma. And so in undifferentiated carcinomas non-specific arrangement of cells occur. Okay, means to say arrangement is different, cell shape can be different, so it is actually undifferentiated carcinomas. There are few example: bronchogenic carcinomas. Choriocarcinoma is actually originate from the placental epithelium. So if tumor originate from one germ layer, but cells after multiplication, when they reach into a differentiation phase, or when they start maturing, then cell will move into divergent differentiation. Matlab, is cells will not be remain similar with the initial cell, or with the origin, with the same with or similar with the origin. So we say it's a mixed tumor. Then malignant tumors of salivary glands are common. So divergent differentiation occurs in the mixed tumors. Another important term is teratoma. Okay, so teratomas are usually mixed tumors. So in the development of teratomas, multiple germ layers are involved. So most of them are benign, most of them have benign nature, but a few of them are malignant. Okay, so usually if we found solid teratomas, and we found non-differentiated tumor or teratomas, then there are great chances of the malignancy in the teratoma. If we found well differentiated teratoma, then teratoma will be benign in nature. Okay, so if mixed tumor have multiple germ layers involved, okay, multiple germs layer involved, then there is a condition, it is known as teratoma. So mature or immature tissue, differentiated or undifferentiated tissue, which have hallmark of which have hallmark which have hallmark they derive from the multiple germ layer, then we say कि they are teratomas. Okay, so मैं अगर repeat करूँ कि चाहे ट्यूमर मेच्योर हो, इमेच्योर हो, डिफरेंशिएटेड हो या अनडिफरेंशिएटेड हो, और उसका hallmark ये है या कहीं के most important point is they derive from it derive from multiple germs layer, then we say it's a teratoma. So we are going to summarize nomenclature of the neoplasia. So let's discuss. If we have a one tumor derived from one germ layer, okay, all cells are similar, uncontrolled growth, okay, do not metastine and non-invasive. They are actually benign tumors. How we can say benign? So in early stages, you can easily uncontrolled growth is a part of neoplasia, or and cell and tumor is originating from one germ layer, and no metastasis or invasion is involved, then it will be benign tumor. And other tumor all derived from one germ layer closely resemble cells are present invasion, and cells can metastasize. So if a tumor can move from one place to another place, another toward the another tissue through blood circulation or through lymphatic circulation, and the cells cells can penetrate even in the even in the neighboring tissues, and it is invasion, then we name that tumors malignant tumors. Okay, so if tumor originate from one germ layer and undergo divergent differentiation, means they change their structure or shape or symmetry. It means they are moving in divergent differentiation. Then we say they are mixed. They have mixed nature, so we say they are mixed tumor. Another tumor with mature, immature, differentiated or undifferentiated cells derived from multiple germ layer are teratomas. Okay, so it was all about the nomenclature of neoplasia.